L'usine de Toraya district Mushanju Université Elizova turi afeze ya kabiri ya recruitment abana beje Elizova yaba bari shortlisted for the police headquarters. When exercises Elizova no kujya mu fitness medical tests all tests aptitude for the so tugambira exercise yo kwipanga ya zatandika kandi tutekateka muza kugenda je abantu ababiba shortlisted region yetu kandi bakashawuza bushanju but for now turn up ito atungerizo atatunga abantu atanu na bushanju which abantu atanu no babine bushanju kandi abo bushanju bo babakeni national ID okuyo babine papa management review ni kirebamo okureba ko yakubasa kuba yaba but for now ndavuga ko kabiri national ID zose zikana kubasa kuba teganso ni registration no nsonga za registration mu database public service up to ina Elizova abari n'aba professional police constables engineer rank lieutenant ba home police kandi ndaba level ya senior 4 ngabe ni CE ngala certificate of education ndio apply yaga kamia calculation so atugambira abantu batubasize kutunga kandi of course abo tubashoboye upload number rede number yashoboye upload uko batatuza abantu shanju abari shortlist
kintu niungano kireba embere karubire government akutureba mangwe embere karubire mboda boda so twakujoininga police tukore government nito tufuna akasente
naza kuzomba police kubanga embera zibire kare
tukuma emirimo twize gukora batugize mu police joining police tinkumanya ari echo
Awatibi West ni Senyomo Gideon.